Hello everyone, this is Mr. Sun and welcome back to my video. And in this video we go into take a look at the use of in on ads. So how do we use them, and you will see in this video. Normally in on ads we use them to talk about times and places, and in this video we only take a look at how to use them with places only, and in another video you will see how to use them with time as well. Okay, so now let's see in this video altogether. Okay, on the whiteboard we have in on at, and we talk about in here is when we use them with places. Okay, when they are the preposition of place, and we have one rule which is general to specific rule. So that means the first one is the most general, and second one is in the middle, and the last one which is the most specific one. Okay, so you will see more explanation in this video. Okay, we're gonna talk about the first one, which is in. So we use in for the most general place or the largest places. Okay, so for the largest places, like we have some of the example right here. Okay, for neighborhood, okay, we use it in. Like normally neighborhoods we refer to an area. Okay, so an area or neighborhood. Like we can say in Chinatown. So Chinatown is an area or it is neighborhood. So we say that in Chinatown. And another one which is in Chongqiao. Chongqiao also an area as well. So we say in Chongqiao. Like we say, I live in Chongqiao, or I live in Chinatown, and so on. So we say in Chinatown or in Chongqiao, which is an area or neighborhood. Okay, another point which is cities. Okay, cities we also use it in as well. Okay, cities, like we say in Washington. Okay, in Washington. So Washington is a city, or in Phnom Penh. Okay, in Phnom Penh. So Phnom Penh also a city as well. So we say in Washington or in Phnom Penh, or any city that you live in. So we use it in with city. Okay, and another one which is countries. Okay, countries, like we say in the United States. Okay, so the United States is a country, so we have to say that in the United States. And another example, we say in Cambodia. Okay, in Cambodia. So Cambodia is a country, so we use within. So these are the places that we use within, which are the largest places. And another point that we can use within as well, okay, refer to the places with boundary. Places with boundary or inside something. Okay, like we say in the office. Okay, in the office or in the classroom. Okay, and so on. So we use it within when we refer to a place with boundary. Okay, and we have more example with all of these points. We can only know that we use in for the largest places like neighborhoods, cities, country, and places with boundary. And move on to another point, which is on. So we use on for more specific places. Okay, it's more specific, that means it's smaller than this one. Okay, like certain street. Okay, certain street. Example right here, we have street and avenue. So street and avenue are similar. We refer to a place. Okay, a smaller places. Like we have example here, we can say that on Pennsylvania Avenue. Okay, on Pennsylvania Avenue. So we say on for the street and avenue. And another example, we say on 2004 Street. Okay, on 2004 Street. So we use this way. And another point, which is islands. Okay, islands we also use with on as well. We say on Fiji Island. Okay, on Fiji Island, or with many more islands that you know, you can also use with on. And vehicle. Okay, this one also only for large vehicle that we can use with on. Like we say on the bus or on the ship. Okay, so this vehicle. And another one which is on the train. Okay, on the train. And we have exception for the car. We cannot use with on. We have to say in the car. Okay, in the car. This is exception because maybe car is smaller than bus or train or ship or plane and so on. So we have to say in the car, not on the car. So only for large vehicle that we use with on. And another one we use surfaces. Okay, surfaces we can also use on as well. Like we say on the table. Okay, on the table or on the wall. So that means on the surface of it. And we have more example with this one, like on the chair, on the computer, on the TV, and so on. So these are the points that we can use with on. Okay, that means for more specific places, okay, like street, avenue, islands, large vehicles, and surfaces. And we move on to the last one, which is at. Okay, we use at for the most specific places, like address or intersection. The place where two or more roads cross together, we call intersection. Okay, and example here, we say for addresses. Okay, addresses, we can say at 330 Independence Avenue. It's address, so we have to use with at. And another one, where we say at the corner of 2004 Street. Okay, at the corner of 2004 Street. So right here it's the address, so we have to use with at. And another one, which is specific location. Okay, specific location, like we say at the corner of the road. Okay, at the corner of the road, it's specifics. And at home, okay, another example, which is at home. So these are the points that we use with at. Okay, we use for the most specific places like address or intersection, that means specific location, and on for more specific places like street, avenue, and so on, like you see in this video. Okay, so this is we call general to specific rule. That means the first one, which is the most general, second one, which is in the middle, and the last one, which is the most specifics. Okay, so that's how we use it. So once again, in this video we only talk about place, and in on that we can also use with time as well, and you will see that in another video. And this is the end, and I hope you learned something from this video, and thanks for your watching. See you for the next video. Bye for now.